Hello, this vlog is made by Dai, Chinyan Jocelyn. Here is question 5. We are going to solve this question today. The question A. What is the net force on the ball while held stationary in your hand? That is not hard to know that at this time, there are two forces on the basketball. The force of gravity and the normal force. Just the opposite of the force of gravity. So we draw the diagram like this here, and use the GRASP method, we plus the two force together. We get the net force here as just 0 Newton. The question B. Now, we have to calculate the net force acting on the ball if you suddenly remove your hand. Because the hand is removed, we don't have the normal force now. For the diagram here we only draw the force of gravity. So we write F net 2 equal to Fg, so the answer of F net 2 is 16 newtons down as the force of gravity. The question C. For this question, we know somebody pushed the ball with a force of 12 newtons, right? And we are going to calculate out the net force now. At this time, there are two forces on the basketball. They are the force of gravity and the applied force 1 that is 12 newtons, right? So we draw the diagram here. We use the equation here and we get the net force 3 here that is 20 newtons, and we also calculate out the direction of this force. That is right, 53 degrees to down. Then we write at the P part, the answer of this question is the net force 3 is 20 newtons, right, 53 degrees down. The question D. The last question, there is an extra force on the basketball, a force of 26 newtons up 45 degrees to right. We have to calculate the net force on the ball now. At this time, there are two forces on the basketball. They are the force of gravity and applied force 2 that is 26 newtons up 45 degrees right. We separate the applied force 2 first to the two force on the x and y direction. And we use the equation as the last question to calculate out the net force. That is 18.6 newtons, and we also have to calculate out the direction of this force, that is 82.6 degrees. So we write at the P part. The answer is 18.6 newtons up 82.6 degrees to right. Now we have finished all we have to do. Thanks for listening.